When it comes to Advance America Payday loans, these are designed as short-term solutions meant to bridge the gap between paychecks, especially when unexpected expenses pop up. The process is straightforward. Borrowers can apply either in-store or online, usually getting an approval decision within minutes. For those who need fast cash, say for grocery bills, rent, car repairs, or even emergencies, funds can be available the same day if the application is completed in the morning. The amounts tend to be on the smaller side, typically a few $100s, and the full balance is due within 2 to 4 weeks, generally timed with your next payday. One of the main appeals of Advance America is accessibility. The company doesn't turn borrowers away just because they have bad or fair credit. They look at other factors like employment history and current income, which opens the door for people who might be denied by traditional banks. There's no need to worry about your application hurting your FICO score, and almost anyone with a valid ID, proof of income, a checking account, and a social security number or ITIN can apply. The convenience extends to application methods, whether you prefer online or in person, and their customer base often appreciates how upfront Advance America is about their typical fees, which are around $15 per $100 borrowed. Compared to some alternatives like paying late fees or facing utility shutoffs, this can be a lifesaver in a pinch, but there are significant drawbacks that should be taken seriously. The biggest concern is cost. Payday loans from Advance America often have sky-high interest rates and fees. For example, a $15 fee on every $100 borrowed, which might not seem like much initially, can add up very quickly. In some states, the APR on these loans can reach astronomical heights, sometimes well over 400%. This means if you can't pay back the loan and fee on your next paycheck, you may find yourself stuck, rolling the loan over and accumulating more debt. It's easy to slip into a dangerous cycle where one loan leads to another, making it harder to catch up financially. Some borrowers have also had mixed experiences with customer service. While some praise its speed and friendliness, others have reported issues with communication, payment processing, and even the collections process, especially if a payment is missed. There are a few more risks to keep in mind. Impersonation scams have become more common, with fraudsters posing as Advance America to steal banking information, so borrowers need to be cautious and only respond through the company's official website or locations. Transparency varies too. While many find Advance America upfront about fees, others point out that not all terms are always crystal clear. Additionally, since payday lending is heavily regulated, loan availability, maximum amounts, and terms can differ from state to state, and the same product isn't available everywhere. In summary, Advance America Payday loans offer an undeniably quick and accessible financial fix for emergencies, especially for people with less than perfect credit who need money right away. The application is easy and funds can be in hand the same day, which is a real advantage in a tight spot. On the downside, the high fees and interest rates can easily spiral into a debt trap if borrowers aren't able to pay on time, and the short repayment window leaves little room for error. Anyone considering this kind of loan should weigh these risks carefully, consider alternatives, and make sure to read all the fine print before moving forward. For many, it's a last resort when all other options have been exhausted, and it's important to approach with full awareness of the potential pitfalls.